What's up, you guys? It's fall, y'all. Today, I am spilling the details on some of the amazing new items that you can choose for your fall box. This is all about customization 1, so make sure that you stick around to the end because I have a special code to help you save some money on your box, and you know we all love that, so let's get started. This first product is pure fire, you guys. It is the Vio Air Purifier. Get it? Purifier, okay. This is a high efficiency air purifier with a HEPA filter. It is whisper quiet. Hey, little mama, let me whisper in your ear. It removes up to 99% of airborne particles such as pollen, dust, and smoke. And I wanted to make sure that my air in my room was as clean and safe as possible so that I didn't have to worry about that. It's a little cold in here. Can I put this on? Introducing your new favorite piece for fall. This is the Gentle Fawn Hermosa cardigan. It is the most elevated layering piece. It's made to pair with any outfit. I'm obsessed. Look at these tassels. You can toss it on over your workout wear to go to your yoga class. You can put it over your daytime outfit, or you could elevate it for a nighttime look. So transitional. Travels like an absolute dream. This is the perfect piece to wear when you're on an airplane, and it is reversible. Let me put this thing in reverse. Look at that. It comes in 3 sizes. You have your extra small, your medium large, and your plus size. It's going to look great with anything. I love this because it is the quintessential fall piece. I'm gonna be wearing it all season long. Next up, we have the Food 52 colander and bowl set. You know I've been working on my cooking, and I'm not very much better yet, but still trying. It's made of bamboo fiber, which is durable, it's BPA free, it's good for you, it's good for the earth. Mother Earth will thank you. So you can use the perforated bowl for rinsing fruits and veggies or for draining pasta. And the larger bowl has a handle and a spout, so you can collect the water that you're not using, and then you can use it to do whatever you want to do with it. You can water your houseplants, you can wash your floors. Honestly, I wish I had this before I killed my fiddle leaf fig. R.I.P. Post Malone. I miss you so much. This is a very handy mixing bowl for scrambling eggs, pancake batter, anything like that. Next up, we have the Living Proof Full Shampoo and Full Conditioner. You guys know that I've been in Texas, and in Texas, the bigger the hair, the closer to heaven. So we wanna amplify that fullness, and this is the duo to do it with. So this shampoo and conditioner is gentle, but it's effective at cleansing and removing residue and buildup and priming for fullness. It contains healthy hair molecules that are gonna keep your hair cleaner for longer, so that means less washes during the week, and that's gonna give you healthier hair in the long run. As for the conditioner, it's going to detangle and add softness and shine without the extra weight. They come together in a bundle. They are perfect for adding that volume. I'm trying to serve some Dolly Parton realness, y'all, so I am going to be using this duo all season long. I wanna be walking in a room and people are saying her hair is so big, it's full of secrets, and guess what? It is. The secret is this Living Proof set. Next up, this product should win an award. It is the Trophy Skin BrightenMD. This is an eye, face, and neck tool that uses red light therapy, sonic vibration, EMS technology, and gentle warming to refresh your skin. Therapeutic warming improves your circulation. Red light therapy stimulates cell turnover and renewal. The tool is gonna vibrate, which is gonna enhance the absorption of your favorite serum. So this has now become a staple in my skincare routine. So to use this, you're gonna apply your favorite serum, and then you're gonna touch the head of the device to your skin and massage in small circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes every day. And it's just so nice. You can just like feel it going to work. I really need it on my neck and my décolletage. I learned how to say it. I promise if you pick this, this is going to become your new staple in your skincare routine. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? I don't even think you're ready. I know you're not ready. I'm not ready. We got you guys. the NARS blushes. We got 3 of the cult favorite best-selling shades. They have super fine micronized powder pigments that ensure a soft, blendable application. We got you guys a great variety of colors to choose for your skin tone. I don't know if I'm allowed to say these names. I'm gonna say them anyway. We have Deep Throat, which is a nice, really pretty pink color. We also have Taj Mahal, which is a bronzy hue. And we were able to snag some units of the Orgasm X. You guys, this one is going to go fast. If you want this one, you gotta be on top of it at customization. Today, I'm actually wearing a little bit of Orgasm X. If I wanted a more pink tone, then I could have definitely gone with the Deep Throat color. Hello, Casey? Yeah, I don't know, I was just thinking about you. We've been working overtime to get you this one. This is the Summer Fridays overtime mask. We worked really hard to get as many of these as we possibly could for you guys, but be sure that you get on customization early if you want to get your hands on this. So this is a clarifying mask that is going to use pumpkin and apricot seed powder to get dull or congested skin back on track. To use it, you're gonna start with clean, dry skin. You're gonna apply a thick layer with your fingertips. You're gonna massage in circular motions for about 60 seconds, and then you're gonna leave on for another 10 minutes and then rinse with warm water and just pat it dry. You can use it twice a week or whenever your skin feels dull or like needs a little bit of a pick-me-up. It literally smells like autumn. I feel like I could actually like ice a cake with this thing, but instead I'm gonna ice my face. And the smell of pumpkin, for some reason, just seriously takes me back to like 2003, walking out of Starbucks with my PSL. Take me back. Those were the days, right? Pop a little Lil Jon on the radio, wearing my Uggs, put a belt over my mini skirt. Yes, not in the belt loops. Why would I do that? That's crazy. Those were the days. Anyway, let's get back to the next product. Last but not least, we have the Molly and Lili Weekender bag in cream or black abstract. This one is the signature leopard print canvas, and this one is the black abstract. You can pick either one. It is an amazing on-the-go weekender bag. It's a great carry-on option if you're traveling on a plane. It's got nylon web straps and a secure zip closure. The zip closure is everything, you guys, because you're just gonna be putting so much stuff in there, and that's gonna help you keep it all secure. When we open it up inside, we've got plenty of space, and we've got a little zippered pocket here. I love to put my phone in here, my phone charger, anything that I might be grabbing out, passport, whatever you need. You can really take this anywhere. I mean, you could even use this as like a gym bag if you wanted to. And then you've also got this zipper on the outside, so that way you can keep anything that you need handy right away. You could fit so many things in here. You could fit, you know, your whole weekend worth of clothes. You could fit a makeup bag. You could fit a laptop. As for me, I'm gonna be packing all of the necessities in my bag wherever I go. Anything that you need that you're gonna be taking with you, you can fit in this baby. But it's not so big that it's not gonna fit underneath the seat in front of you if you're on a train or if you are in an airplane, anything like that. Tell me where you guys are going this fall. Do you have any exciting travel plans? I need some ideas. Tell me where you're going. Tell me where I should go. All right, you guys, so that's everything. For a full look at everything that you can choose this season, make sure that you customize your fall box, and that code that I promised you in the beginning is customize. So let me know what you're picking in the comments below, and I will see you next weekend. I'll see you next season. Bye. Man, we should do this every week. I'll see you next weekend, guys.